Hi students, welcome to Organizing My Instructions. The topic of today is about how to use sequence words to organize instructions. The first thing we're going to see is about what are the sequence words. Sequence words are like signals or signs. They help you identify when an event or story starts, when a new event is taking place, and when a story ends. These are the sequence words. We have first, next, then, after, and finally. How to use sequence words in my instructions? So we're going to see this example in order to understand how to use the sequence words in my instructions. This example is about how to make a cup of tea. We have here in red color the sequence words. We're going to read. First, we boil some water. Next, serve the water in a cup. Then, put the tea bag in the water. After, add some sugar and milk. And finally, add a biscuit and enjoy it. Also, we can see this sequence in an emergency. So, you can add here where the numbers are, you can add the sequence words in order to give a sequence. For example, in the first one will be first, identify potential hazards in your home and begin to fix them. The second one will be next, create a disaster plan, and then prepare disaster supply kits, and after identify your building's potential weakness and begin to fix them, and finally protecting yourself during an earthquake, shaking, drop, cover, and hold on. So we have here this kind of sequence, and we can use the sequence words to organize our instructions. We have another example. This is a funny story. The plan of the cat. So we have here the first picture that is first, look at the mug from the window. Next, go up to the cupboard. Then, take the milk. After that, check if someone is coming. And finally, leave from the kitchen through the window. So, as you can see, these pictures are organized in order to have a sequence. We start from first and we finish with finally. So there is a sequence in a story. This is the same that you can do with your instructions. Now you can add sequence words to organize your instruction. Good job. And thank you for watching this video.